Hello kids, hope you all are fine and enjoying our videos while learning. So let's start today's topic. Kids, in today's topic we are going to learn the basic mathematics, that is addition and subtraction. Kids, do you know what are the signs of addition and subtraction? Plus sign is used for addition and minus sign is used for subtraction. So let's start with addition. 5 plus 3. Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now we count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum of 5 and 3 is 8. Kids, isn't it easy? So now we add 7 and 2. Kids, draw 7 lines. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now draw 2 lines. 1 and 2. Now we count all lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum of 7 and 2 is 9. Kids, is this a magic? No. Now we count on our fingers with the help of palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now kids, you know how to count on your fingers. So we will do 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. Now count 2. 1, 2. Now count together in reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sum of 3 plus 2 is 5. We have done this with the help of our hand. Kids, this is the exercise for you. Do 4 plus 7. Kids, now we will do subtraction. Kids, we will subtract 8 minus 7. You have 8 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 mangoes are eaten by you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many left? 1 mango. So the subtraction of 8 minus 7 is 1. Now subtract 6 minus 4. Kids, you have 6 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4 mangoes are eaten by you. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 1, 2. So the subtraction of 6 minus 4 is 2. Kids, now we will do with our finger. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 2. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2. The subtraction of 4 minus 2 is 2. Kids, this is the exercise for you. 5 minus 2. Kids, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.